Hey guys, so if you want to see how I somehow managed to create this eyeshadow look, it was a struggle, okay? Like, warning, it was a struggle. Then just keep on watching. Whew. So this is the finished look, and I feel like I had to finesse this until the cows came home. I am so disappointed in this orange here. I'm so disappointed in it. It was just not, it wasn't doing its job. It was not sticking, it was not blending. It was just like, I'm here and now I'm not, and now I'm here and now I'm not. And it was like, what are you doing? Half of the shadow ended up on my face. But I think what ended up happening was there was probably so much shadow on my eyes that there was nowhere else for it to go. So you saw all of that shadow that just like coated the side of my nose. I think that was probably because there was just so much eyeshadow on my eye that there was just nowhere for it to go after a while. But I ended up finessing it, and I just blended out over the orange because that was just not happening, and that had nothing to do with the amount of shadow that I had on my eye already. Like, that was just being uncooperative, period, point blank. But yeah, so even though this was not exactly how I imagined this eyeshadow look to turn out, I'm glad that I at least managed to salvage it so that I can go out and do what I need to do. Okay, so I'm gonna go take my kids boxing and all that good stuff and get on with my day, and I will definitely be seeing you guys later. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.